Once we are writing any exam, we tend to check out reviews of the exam from various mentors and candidates. There are two extreme emotions that we tend to glide through. The first one is that we feel kind of satisfied because somebody in some review tells that your attempts are falling in that good attempts bracket, and you feel kind of satisfied after that. You sleep peacefully. The other extreme is that somebody tells you that your attempts are not that good, and you yourself feel that you're not likely to clear the exam given your number of attempts. By following that review, you kind of feel worldly dejection. So what you do, you tend to switch from one review to other review to try to seek something that might bring comfort to you. Try to seek somebody that may tell you that the exam was difficult, and kind of seek justification with what you have done in that exam. So this process actually wastes a hell lot of time. Not only it wastes time, but also it drains out energy, uh, because we kind of emotionalize the outcome of result, and this emotional drain out is one of the biggest sink of energy. So this wasted time, energy and emotions could have utilized somewhere else, that could have fetched you something from some dimensions out of the infinite dimensions of the world. Does this not sound funny enough that a fewer clicks on the exam interface made you feel unworthy? Feeling unworthy and being unworthy are two different things. I am not asking you to be unsuccessful. I am just asking you to not emotionalize the outcome of result. This is a futile activity. So, if this is a problem, then what is the solution of it? Whenever we are writing an exam, just whenever you write any exam, just come out of the exam center and feel satisfied. Just feel that you have done your part well, and feel relaxed and elevated, and feel as if there could not have been any other better way of writing the exam than you just did it. So once you are done with the exam, there would definitely be some mistakes that you would have committed in the exam, and because the mistakes cannot be zero, so you know your mistakes, write them down somewhere, try to correct them, try to take all the corrective measures that could be taken in that direction, and get ready for the next exam. Do not waste your precious time and energy and mere checking what everybody else is saying. Time is very precious. We all have very limited time. Um, so that is all that I had to say. All the best.